Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have been given this division algorithm problem, as you can see in this given diagram, such that our remainder is only given to us as 98. And now we are supposed to fill in all these empty boxes. And the caveat is our divisor must be a 2-digit number, whereas our quotient is going to be a 3-digit number. And finally, our dividend is supposed to be a 5-digit number. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. The only info that has been given to us is that our remainder is 98. And we can see this is a 2-digit number. And now we are going to focus on our divisor, which is a 2-digit number as well. And we know this divisor is supposed to be larger this remainder. And moreover, this divisor is supposed to be a 2-digit number as well. So the only possibility is that it is going to be 99, which is a 2-digit number, and that is larger than our remainder. And now we are going to focus on this number, which is 2-digit. And the only way we can get at this 2-digit number if we multiply 99 with 1 over here. So therefore this number has got to be a 99 as well. And likewise this number is going to be 99 as well. Along with this number over here is going to be 1. And finally this number is going to be 99 as well. And this third digit has got to be 1 as well. And now we are going to go backward and work it out. And now we know that 98 plus 99 is supposed to give us this 3-digit number. So therefore, let's go ahead and add these two 2-digit numbers. If we add them, we are going to get 197, such that 197 minus 99 is going to give us 98 indeed. And now we are going to focus on these 2 digits number, which is 19, and this 2-digit number is 99. And if we add 99 and 19, we are going to get 118. And now let's make an observation. We can see this number we just brought down over here. And this is the number that we just brought down over here as well. In other words, this number is supposed to be same as this number, which is 7. So therefore, this digit has got to be 7 as well. And likewise, this digit is supposed to be same as this digit, which is 8. So therefore, this digit has got to be 8 as well. And now our only task is to figure out these 3 digits. And finally, we are going to focus on these 2-digit numbers, which is 11, and these 2-digit numbers, which is 99. If we add these two numbers, we are supposed to get this 3-digit number. So therefore, if we add 99 and 11, we are supposed to get 110. Such that 110 minus 99 is indeed going to give us 11. So thus, after all the bunch of steps, we figured out our divisor is supposed to be 99, which is a 2-digit number. Our quotient turns out to be 111, which is a 3-digit number. And finally, our dividend turns out to be 11,087, and that is a 5-digit number as well, such that our remainder is indeed 98, which is a 2-digit number, whereas these 2-digit numbers are 99, 99, and likewise 99. And finally, our 3-digit numbers are 118, and this 3-digit number is 197. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.